once felt. I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess.
Good morning. Just baked a cake. Karibu. Have you guys seen those memes? Nope. We are good. How cute is my mug? I got this from Tia Africa. Link will be down below.
Sunsets, remember the colors, they were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside, so right, we stood there all wide-eyed, you and I, floating on air in my mind, 'cause there's no going back.
Guys, I'm having breakfast. Nimekumbuka one comment from one of you, alisema I eat a lot and yet sikue mkubwa. You guys think I eat a lot? I don't think so. Nibile, I guess wanna vlog sana nikikula. Also, I feel like wanatembea sana, which you guys do not see. Oh, alisema I eat a lot, I don't exercise, and yet I'm not big. So I usually walk a lot, like going thrifting, going to source materials for the shop, going to my tailor's place, because I mostly walk instead of taking a motorbike or boda. And also going for deliveries, like today I have deliveries to make, and also go to my tailor's place. I don't think I'll vlog that, so you won't see me walking. But if you follow me on IG, I've posted a couple of times, like steps you may take that time. There's an inbuilt app on my phone. I use Huawei Y9, so inakwambia like how many steps you've made that day, and mostly zinakwanga more than 10,000. Mostly kwanza nikienda thrifting, if I have to source material. I don't know why I'm explaining myself, but yeah, wajua tu wana exercise in my own way. And also I do yoga, but it's been a minute. My carpet, my yoga mat, sorry, has been catching dust. I should probably go back to that, especially those days when I'm not walking, I'm not going out.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could...
I've just made my deliveries. And I'm now preparing food. Nimetoka kuongelea mambo na food and working out and walking to my delivery place. Na leo, ironically, nimetuma mtu wa boda because I figured I could use that time to edit instead of me making the deliveries personally. Guys, I've just soaked the beans and I want to take a quick shower as I wash my hair. Good morning. Hi guys. Did you need to wear a mask? I am going to town. I guess the last time I was in town, I guess me at the beginning of this month. We are in October still, 29th October. So the last time I was in town wakati we were meeting with Jane. Imagine the day I'm wearing these flared pants. I've been so into flared pants, jeans especially. So I'm wearing this cute one and I don't feel like wearing a belt. And then this cropped t-shirt. I'm going thrifting, but before that I'll be running some errands in town. I'm going to get clips za kutengeneza nywele to retwist my hair. Sidhani mnaweza ona, but yeah, my hair is so sijui. So that's the plan, that's the reason naenda town. Kama si hiyo ningepitia tu Gikomba straight.
Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine, think about you every time? I remember that it's over, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you're never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot, it's almost like I can't stop.
Guys, I'm back home and I want to show you all the items that I got. Okay, day 2 I got suits, 2 suits. This is a skirt suit and this is how the coat looks. Napendanga zile zenye kuwa refu koti and then the skirt is short, and if the skirt is not short I shorten it. So kama ilikuwa too long, ilikuwa nafika my ankles, so I had to cut it kiasi. So this is how it looks. Yeah, I also got some shirts. If you go thrifting, be sure to look at easy tiny things that you might miss out, kama your shirt being torn or something. So for example, this shirt ilikuwa imeraruka one of the hands, so I had to cut your mkono and the other mkono, so it's sleeveless. I don't know if it will sell, but I'm hoping it will sell. And then we also have more shirts. For shop, shirts are really doing well for shop right now, so that's why I added some. Oh, this is a cargo pant someone ordered, so nilipitia kwa my fundi to take the cargo pant. It's a black one. This is how it looks. I'm so tempted kutengenezesha black. Mimi sina black. I have cargo pants like in every color. Sorry, but sina black. We have more shirts, and then what do we have here? Oh, I got the material. Like nilipenda print ya material sana, and this was the second time I'm seeing it kwa place nilibuy places bed sheets and towels. And karibu na samaki, hapo ndio huwa kuna seliwa such pieces. So I got this one. It's so beautiful, like the print is so lovely, and I thought nitaitengenezesha ikuwe maybe short ama palazzo pants. I don't know, but I'll figure something out and make something from it. Oh, I also got this cargo pants for myself, not for the shop, in olive green na mami green. Sijui difference. It comes as a short and pants, so ukifungua zipper inakuwa short. Mtu anipeleke safari. Nivae these shorts and then baridi ikiingia anavaa kama pants. So ikuwa short inakaa hivyo. How cute. And it's actually my size. We also have another suit. As I've said, I got 2 suits. Hii shirt ingine. This is a navy blue one, but kwa camera inatokea kwa black. Who is texting me? Oh, I was having a Q&A kwa Instagram, but if you don't follow me on Instagram, that's where I talk to you mostly. Be sure to check my page out. It's Maureennkathaaa, the same name that I go with kwa YouTube. So I think hao ni watu wananipea suggestions. I was asking mambo na getting my hair retwisted. Saiku toy kofia because we are not looking so good. So I need to retwist my hair. I really wanna talk out of topic, from one topic to the other. Acha tumalizane na thrift haul. So in your kotia, this skirt, it's so beautiful. Like, look at those buttons. Mnaziona, please. So cute. Yeah, so we have those. These ones are to really buy leo, but there's a mob, mostly in shirts. Yeah. So from Best Lady, I got bobby pins. Initially I was going for zile clips za ukitwist your hair unashikilia. I've seen them in many YouTube videos of people locking their hairs, but I couldn't find any, so I thought ni buy easy and hope they'll serve the same purpose. But from my conversation on Instagram, most people wameniambia like it's advisable for the first days uende kwa loctician akulock your hair. So I'm thinking of going to Gamma. Gamma is a place where I used to go. Nikuwa na my artificial dreadlocks, so I'll go visit him probably next week and get my hair locked, like retwisted, and then ikishika vizuri, that's when I'll start doing it myself. I also got this katini. Noni imeandikwa sijui dandruff. Mimi si ya dandruff. I think nitakuwa siniliona like ukiosha your locks, it's nice to have this katini so that you can scrub your scalp vizuri. So that's why I got these. It was going for 30 bob or 55 or something. It was actually very cheap. And then I also got some rose water, and I got 2 essential oils. I got tea tree. Niliona like people recommended tea tree a lot. And then I also got castor oil to help me out with growth. Kwanza my edges are not looking good. Sitoi kofia, but you just know I need some castor oil over there. So those are the things that I got.
Couple hours from Japan, would you stay awake? I'm losing touch of who I am when you're far away. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close. Closer than before, and no one knows.
I do this thing where I soak onions before I cut them, just to avoid crying a lot while I chop them. So hi guys, I don't think I have said hi. So we are going to make lunch. Today is 1st of November. For lunch I'm thinking rice. I have some rice from yesterday and some beef, and lastly salad kiasi. Ginger paste, garlic paste, salt.
Than before, but I want you close, closer than before, and no one knows that I want you close.
I am not about to wash 1000 utensils again, so you know what I'll do? I'll transfer my meats to this bowl and then use this sufuria to cook the salad. I'm using Prestige. Unaweka kwa sufuria hadi melt kiasi tu, like 1 spoon. Actually this is a lot because I'm not planning on kupika mingi sana. We add kiasi.
Away. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while, but I want you close. Just need you to know that I want you close, closer than before. I know that we've been through a lot.
So this is my lunch today. Hot.
The story I will be telling you today is one of my absolute favorites, and I hope you too will get great enjoyment out of it, like I do. Once upon a time, in a faraway land.
All clean. I was hungry kusema tu kweli. Hi guys. Oh, so my battery inaisha and hakuna lights huku, but I'm going to my loctician. Here's my outfit of the day. I'm wearing this printed shirt, silk, and this pair of pants. I'm going to retwist my hair, so I wanted to show you the before, but my camera died, hakuna stima, so I'm going to charge it over there. I hope kuna stima kwake, but I'm going to Gama, the loctician who used to retwist my hair wakati nilikuwa na zile dreadlocks, artificial temporary dreadlocks. So he's the one who is going to retouch my hair, but this is how it looks. So also I'm going for a sleepover at Emily's place. Yeah, I just felt like going to see her because I haven't seen her in quite a while and I've missed her so much.
Once felt I'm done with the defense, drove back and climbed over your fence, had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders and closed off, that's what I told you. Soon enough everything started to change, 'cause there's no going back, no going back, there's no going back to your old life. Living in the past, we're over that, we're feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights.
Mixed vegetables with rice and steak. Hizi mine tukua kamera person wa mtu. So nisi edit. So ku take shots. I will take them sambamba. Nisahau kuonyesha last night's dinner. Enjoy your syrup. Scarring.
Everyone, there be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word.
Wow. Hi guys. So I haven't showed you my hair. Nitaonyesha when I get back home. But I wanted to show you my outfit of the day. I'm wearing this t-shirt, mustard, and then my pants, Zajana. Yeah. So I'm leaving, kwenda to meet up with Jen for our monthly meeting. Yeah, that's what's up today. Nothing much really.
You fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away. Standing on with you and there is no